check out this fantastic 5-star review. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform these 5-star reviews into products that customers can't stop buying on Amazon. Hold on, what? Yes. 5-star reviews are coming from passionate customers that have purchased a product and are really excited to share how fantastic the product is. And if during your product research session, you can actually find out these fantastic things that people really like, add them to your product, then bingo, you've got a fantastic product that people already want and features that people really like. Now, why is this important? Most product research videos actually tell you to focus on negative keywords, but the reality is that sometimes customers are just simply upset and leave negative keywords that are very basic, without us understanding exactly what is the true nature of the product. Positive reviews actually answer a completely different question. What must the product do well? If customers repeatedly praise the same feature, saying how fantastic it is, well, guess what? That feature needs to be included into your product, and not only that, you need to focus on that feature when you're marketing your product. This is what people really want. But hold on, we're not looking here for positive people and happy comments that might make us feel happy. No, we're looking for repeated features that customers really appreciate so that we can ensure that those features are in our product. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to do the 5 steps. Search, filter, select competing products, read the 5-star reviews, and build a list of features, of must-have features. Let's get to it. I'm super excited about this video. Product research videos are my favorite types of videos to film and to explain to you. But if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal from Sellers Society. We are an award-winning agency. We've been creating content, but also supporting sellers in the Middle East since 2019. We support Amazon, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you need help and support with finding the right product to sell, or even if you're currently selling on Amazon and you are having difficulties, do reach out to me and the team. We're here to help you. www.assmiddleeast.org is our official website. You can check out all of our programs, including our a la carte menu, and also reach out to us, book a call, and learn a little bit more about how we can help you. Step number 1, search using an extremely broad product keyword. Don't search for a product using a brand name like Nike or Apple or Samsung. No, very broad keyword so that we can get as much results as possible. Here we are, I logged into Amazon.ae and I typed in clear MagSafe phone case. Broad keyword to a certain point. Now, as you can see, I'm getting a lot of different product pages and recommendations, some of which are advertised, some of which are showing up organically. Step number 2, filter. Now, there's multiple ways to filter, but first and foremost, you need to decide whether or not you want to filter via Fulfilled by Amazon. It's not really important, but if you are working with a big product, like as an example here, we've got 30,000 results under clear MagSafe phone case, so maybe filtering down to Fulfilled by Amazon would be a little bit better. Actually, it didn't make any difference, showing you how much Fulfilled by Amazon is a way that sellers are now using because customers want. You can also come in here and filter by here, but what I would recommend rather than filtering is to come and sort by average customer reviews, and there we go. Now we're getting the highest reviews to the lowest reviews. Step number 3 would be to open 5 strong listings. Now I would say minimum of 5, but definitely the more the merrier. What you're looking for is number 1, lots of reviews. And of course, we're looking for strong review rating here because we're looking at the 5-star reviews, clear images, and a similar price to what you intend to technically sell your product for. Because you don't want to be looking at a premium product if you're intending to sell a product at a low entry to market cost, and vice versa. If you're intending, for example, to sell a phone case at 30 dirhams, looking at a phone case that's selling at 1,000 dirhams would be a little bit difficult as it's selling at 1,000 dirhams. Obviously, it's going to have fantastic features. Now, I wouldn't say just simply choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just simply because they are the top. Take your time, assess what the product looks like, assess the details that we talked about. Sometimes these products might not be actually selling directly in the UAE. They might be international listings like this one, which is absolutely fine. You log into the product page itself, you click on the reviews. You can even just click on the 5-star reviews and just go through the details. So step number 4 would be to filter and start reading the 5-star reviews. Now you want to skip the reviews that are saying good, excellent, because that doesn't provide you any type of information. You want to look for reviews that tell you why the customer likes the product, how they use it, which features surprise them, and why they would recommend it. Now it's time to create a simple sheet with just 2 columns. The column would be feature mentioned, and then next to it would be the number of times that that feature was actually mentioned. For the MagSafe phone case, what we found was lots of people said premium appearance, so in their 5-star reviews, strong magnetic connection, comfortable grip, and lightweight design. So many people were saying lightweight, slim design. Step number 5 would be to create the perfect product brief so that now you can start searching for suppliers that have all of these features. So as an example, the product brief for the MagSafe might say, number 1, a precise fit, strong magnetic attachment, a premium look, durable construction, and lightweight feel. Now, it's important also to remember that you do not want to copy somebody else's product. You want to sell this type of product, but you need to have some unique features. And that's why we're looking for these 5-star reviews to understand what unique features customers want, or at least what customers really like about the unique features, or rather value unique features, so that you're not just adding options into a product that people don't really value. And also remember, very, very importantly, is that these features need to be highlighted when you are trying or attempting to sell the product. Meaning you need to highlight these features in your listing, because if you don't tell the customer, then they're not gonna know. And it's obvious that customers really value these features because we read them multiple times in the 5-star reviews. And there you go, such a simple and fun way to find features that people really like about the product. And this is fantastic because you can find so many suppliers, specifically in China and on Alibaba, who will have all of these features, and you'll know straight out of the gate whether or not they are important or not. So that no supplier can sell you something saying, oh, it has the X, Y, and Z, and maybe those features aren't really that important for customers in the UAE. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.